Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing Google Earth Pro on your computer. Google Earth Pro is a fantastic tool for exploring our world, and it's available for free. So, let's get started. Now, let's move on to the installation process. First step, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Google Earth Pro and hit enter. I will also drop this website link on my description. You can click on the link below. Then, click on the official Google Earth Pro link here to access the download page. Once you're on the website, you'll find the Download the Application button. Click on it to start the download. Now, click on Accept and Download below here. Now, you'll be prompted to where to save the application that you want to download. Then, once you've done, click on Save. It'll automatically download the application. Once the installation is complete, run the installer by double-click on the application. Now, click on Run. The installation process is ongoing. Just wait for a while. Now, the installation is complete. Then, click on Close. After the installation is finished, you can find the application on your desktop here. You can now launch Google Earth Pro. Enjoy exploring our planet in amazing detail. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Earth Pro on your computer. It's an incredible tool for exploring our world, and the best part is, it's free. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if there are specific topics related to Google Earth Pro that you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.